Scientists have discovered that a single habit can make you smarter, healthier, and more focused. And what's even more amazing is that this habit is something most people do every day without even realizing its full potential. Can you guess what it is? If you haven't guessed it yet, it is sleep. For centuries, sleep was seen as a passive, unproductive state, a time when the body merely shut down until morning. Well-slept individuals exhibit greater empathy, better problem-solving skills, and a higher ability to regulate stress. Boy, good. Could it be that the true potential of sleep is something we've only begun to understand? Is there a deeper, hidden benefit to a good night's sleep that science is yet to uncover? The answer may surprise you. On the other hand, sleep deprivation can lead to impulsivity, irritability, and a blunted ability to connect with others emotionally. Many sacrifice sleep for work, leisure, or studies. Failing to recognize the immediate and long-term consequences of this choice, sleep deprivation can lead to decreased productivity, strained relationships, weakened immunity, weight gain, and an increased risk of accidents. Chronic sleep loss is even associated with more serious health issues such as heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. Despite the wealth of research underscoring the importance of sleep, our society often glorifies a hustle culture that places a premium on busyness and sacrifices rest. This cultural shift has led to a concerning rise in sleep disorders, with insomnia alone affecting over 30% of adults. However, the good news is that by making conscious choices, we can reclaim sleep as a daily priority. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensuring a comfortable sleep environment are key. Moreover, being aware of the hidden costs of sleep deprivation can serve as a potent motivator for change. By understanding the far-reaching consequences of sacrificing sleep, we can begin to reframe rest not as a cost, but as one of life's greatest investments. Committing to this investment can lead to significant improvements in our mental acuity, emotional resilience, physical health, and longevity. In essence, prioritizing sleep is not merely about adding years to your life, but more importantly, about adding life to your years. In fact, scientists have found a direct correlation between the amount of sleep you get and your capacity for love. While science has come a long way in understanding the mechanics and benefits of sleep, there's still much to be discovered about this vital process. Perhaps with further research, we'll uncover even more ways to harness the power of sleep for a better, healthier life. The more sleep you have, the more you're able to process complex emotions and navigate social situations adeptly. But modern science has shattered that myth, revealing sleep as one of the most powerful biological processes governing our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Studies have shown that consistent restorative sleep regulates blood pressure, controls appetite hormones like ghrelin and leptin, and reduces the risk of chronic conditions, including diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Athletes who prioritize sleep enjoy faster reaction times, improved stamina, and quicker muscle recovery, while students who sleep well before exams outperform their sleep-deprived peers. Remarkably, sleep also plays a role in strengthening your body's defenses with infection, fighting cells being produced in higher quantities when you're well rested. When you fall asleep, your brain enters a dynamic sequence of cycles, alternating between light, deep, and rapid eye movement, REM sleep. Each stage plays a vital role. Deep sleep repairs tissues, strengthens the immune system, and balances hormones, while REM sleep sharpens memory, fuels creativity, and processes emotions. It's like hitting the replay button for your experiences, consolidating what's important and discarding what's not. During this time, your brain also clears out toxic waste proteins like beta amyloid, the very substances linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. This natural cleansing operation is so essential that even one night of poor sleep can leave measurable cognitive fog and mood disturbances the next day. But the benefits of quality sleep stretch far beyond the mind. Yet, perhaps the most intriguing discovery lies in how sleep influences emotional intelligence and decision-making. So if one natural, cost-free activity can dramatically improve memory, mood, physical health, and even longevity, why do so many neglect it? According to data gathered from the Sleep in America Institute, CADA, over 60% of Americans consistently get less than the recommended 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the human body, it's clear that sleep is one of the most fascinating and essential aspects of our existence.